Removing a PCIe riser assembly and adapter. Remove the node from the chassis. Remove the top cover. If there is a GPU air duct installed in the node, remove it. Loosen the captive screw that secures the PCIe riser assembly to the node. Carefully hold the edges of the PCIe riser assembly and lift it out of the node. Disconnect the PCIe riser power cable from the riser. If necessary, disconnect all the PCIe riser cables from the system board, and then lay the PCIe riser assembly on a flat, static protective surface. Remove the screw that secures the PCIe adapter to the PCIe riser. Hold the edges of the PCIe adapter and carefully pull it out of the PCIe slot.